Welcome. In this session, we will explore how NVIDIA Spectrum Networking optimizes AI workloads and how to validate that performance using the Cloud AI Benchmark framework. Let's get started. First, we must understand the specific demands AI places on the network. Traditional data centers handle many small, independent traffic flows. AI workloads, however, are fundamentally distributed computing problems. They generate elephant flows, massive bursts of data exchanged between GPUs during training or inference. In this environment, the entire cluster waits for the slowest node to finish, a concept known as tail latency. If your network drops packets or introduces jitter, valuable GPUs sit idle. Therefore, standard Ethernet, designed for best effort delivery, often becomes the bottleneck. We need a network designed specifically for lossless, high-throughput AI traffic. What did we learn? AI workloads demand a specialized network approach where minimizing tail latency is paramount to maintaining GPU efficiency. This diagram illustrates the cascading effect of network inefficiency on AI. Starting at the top, AI workloads inject massive elephant flows into the network fabric. If the fabric relies on traditional mechanisms, this leads to congestion and jitter. These issues manifest as packet drops and high tail latency. Both pathways converge at GPU idle time, meaning your expensive compute resources are waiting rather than working, ultimately resulting in slower training and inference times. To solve these challenges, NVIDIA introduced the Spectrum-X networking platform. This isn't just a switch, it is an end-to-end system combining the Spectrum 4 Ethernet switch with the BlueField-3 Super NIC. While it builds on standard Ethernet protocols, it supercharges them for AI. Spectrum 4 is the world's first 51.2 terabit switch built specifically for AI networks, while the Super NIC acts as a powerful endpoint accelerator. Together, they achieve up to 1.7x better AI performance and power efficiency compared to traditional Ethernet. This tight coupling is what allows Spectrum-X to deliver the deterministic performance required for hyperscale generative AI. What is the important point? Spectrum-X transforms Ethernet into a high-performance AI fabric by integrating specialized switching and endpoint hardware. Here we see the core components of the Spectrum-X platform. On the left is the Spectrum 4 switch, the central hub of the fabric. It connects directly via high-speed 400G flat Ethernet, links to the BlueField-3 Super NIC residing within the GPU server. This direct optimized link allows for advanced coordination. We also see data flowing to telemetry tools like NetQ or the Cloud AI framework, which we will discuss shortly. A key innovation in Spectrum-X is ROSI adaptive routing. Traditional networks use ECMP, which binds a flow to a single path. If two elephant flows land on the same link, you get congestion, even if other paths are empty. Spectrum-X uses packet spraying. It breaks flows down and sprays individual packets across all available paths to the destination. This ensures perfectly balanced load distribution. Now, packets might arrive out of order, which usually breaks applications. However, the BlueField-3 Super NIC automatically handles packet reordering at the hardware level before passing data to the application. This allows the network to run at 95% effective bandwidth. What did we learn? Adaptive routing eliminates static bottlenecks by spraying packets, while the Super NIC ensures data integrity. This sequence diagram visualizes adaptive routing. The source Super NIC sends a flow of packets. The Spectrum 4 fabric sprays these packets across different paths, path A, B, and C, to balance the load. As a result, the destination Super NIC receives them out of order. Packet 3 arrives before packet 2. The Super NIC then performs hardware reordering, transparently delivering the sequence 1, 2, 3 to the application logic, ensuring high bandwidth without breaking the application. In a multi-tenant AI cloud, noisy neighbors can destroy performance. Spectrum-X addresses this with advanced ROSI congestion control. The Spectrum 4 switch monitors queue depths and transmits precise telemetry to the sender's BlueField-3 Super NIC. The Super NIC then intelligently throttles the specific flow causing congestion rather than punishing everyone. This mechanism provides performance isolation, ensuring that a heavy job on one tenant doesn't slow down yours. Unlike standard ECN, which can be slow to react, this hardware-accelerated loop reacts in microseconds. What is the important point? Direct switch to NIC telemetry allows Spectrum-X to isolate performance and manage congestion instantly, which is vital for shared AI clouds. This state diagram shows the congestion control loop. It starts when the switch detects congestion in a queue. The switch immediately transitions to send telemetry directly to the source. The Super NIC processes this data and enters the rate limit flow state, slowing down only the offending traffic. Once the congestion is cleared, the system returns to normal monitoring, ensuring optimal throughput for all other tenants. How do we validate these performance claims? Enter the Cloud AI Benchmark framework. This tool aims to provide a standardized way to grade AI systems. It allows you to define your infrastructure using a system schema, ensuring the benchmark understands your specific hardware. You then define test schemas and test scenarios to model real-world AI workloads. Cloud AI automates the entire process. It installs prerequisites, runs tests like NCCL benchmarks, and generates reports. It supports various schedulers like Slurm and Kubernetes, making it versatile for different environments. What did we learn? Cloud AI provides a consistent, automated method to validate that your Spectrum-X network is delivering the expected AI performance. This flowchart depicts the Cloud AI workflow. On the left, we input our definitions, the system schema, hardware details, test schema, what tests to run, and scenario schema, how to run them. These feed into the Cloud AI engine. The engine first handles the install phase for prerequisites, then runs the actual workloads, such as NCCL tests. Finally, it generates a comprehensive performance report, giving you concrete data on your system's capabilities. Finally, we bring it all together. You can use Cloud AI to specifically benchmark your Spectrum X deployment. By configuring a test scenario that runs NCCL all_reduce or all_to_all operations, you can stress test the fabric. The resulting reports will reveal your effective bandwidth and, crucially, your tail latency distribution. You should look for results where effective bandwidth approaches 95% of line rate, validating the adaptive routing. Also check that tail latency is low and consistent, validating the congestion control. This creates a feedback loop where you verify that your investment in Spectrum X is translating to real-world AI speedups. What is the key takeaway? Use Cloud AI to empirically prove that Spectrum X is delivering superior bandwidth and latency for your AI jobs. This graph shows the validation process. The Cloud AI benchmark executes NCCL tests, which stress the Spectrum X fabric. Within the fabric, adaptive routing ensures high bandwidth, while congestion control maintains low tail latency. Both of these outcomes feed into the final report validation, confirming that the network is performing as architected for AI workloads. When reviewing Cloud AI reports, focus on 3 key metrics. First, effective bandwidth. Traditional Ethernet often saturates at 60% due to collisions. With Spectrum X, you should see this climb to over 95%. Second is tail latency, often shown as P99 latency. In distributed AI, if one packet is late, the whole calculation waits. Spectrum X minimizes this outlier latency. Finally, these combine to impact job completion time, JCT. A better network means shorter training runs, allowing you to iterate faster. What did we learn? High effective bandwidth and low tail latency are the technical indicators that drive the business value of reduced job completion time. This Gantt chart compares job completion time. The top bar shows a traditional Ethernet environment where the job takes 100 units of time, with significant delays caused by tail latency. The bottom bar shows the same job on Spectrum X. Because of better bandwidth and latency control, the job finishes in just 70 units, creating a clear savings in time and compute resources. To summarize, AI workloads require a fundamental shift in networking. We've seen how NVIDIA Spectrum X addresses this with specialized hardware like the Spectrum 4 switch and BlueField 3 Super NIC, enabling features like packet spraying and telemetry-based congestion control. We also learned how the Cloud AI benchmark framework allows you to rigorously test these capabilities using standard schemas and workloads. By combining these technologies, you ensure your AI infrastructure isn't just connected, but optimized for the era of AI. What is the important point? Validating your AI network with Cloud AI ensures you're getting the extreme performance and efficiency engineered into the Spectrum X platform. In our final diagram, we see how the pieces fit together. Spectrum X technology enables the creation of an optimized AI fabric. The Cloud AI framework is used to validate that this fabric is performing correctly. Together, they deliver maximized GPU ROI and reduce time to train, ensuring successful AI deployments.